What is going on, YouTube?
What's up, y'all?
Corey and Trish here with the tech couple, and I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail. I destroyed my headphones.
Yes. Yes, you did.
Seriously?
Awful, y'all.
So, we bought some replacement ear cups from a company called AGP Tech, and we're going to show you just how quick and easy you can go from ashy back to classy.
I mean, did you see them? Again, awful. I don't even know how you do that to headphones, but yes, we'll show you how we did what we did. There are a bunch of companies on Amazon that offer replacement ear cups.
AGP Tech was the only one that we found offered ear cups in their original colors. Like, there's camo and dark camo and all sorts of stuff, but I wanted them to look just like they were when I bought them.
Of course, there's some extended warranty material and some simple instructions.
It's all pretty straightforward. We'll start by detaching my jacked up ear cups.
Got the best tool on the planet, a butter knife.
And an X-Acto knife in case things get a little dicey.
All right, let's check out the replacement ear cups.
Feel good, look good, smell good.
Well, brand new. All right, gonna use a little rubbing alcohol to cut through that leftover glue.
And I've got my trusty paper towels, or, you know, maybe microfiber cloths if you're fancy.
Now, it's a little tricky, but you'll want to use your wedge to get between the ear cup and the beats themselves and start to apply some pressure to start the separation.
Don't go ham though. The beat shell is still plastic.
Yeah, don't want to be replacing the beats and the ear cups.
Right?
You'll be able to hear the glue separating. It's gonna take some force, but seriously, don't go Rambo.
As you can see, once it's loose, there'll be some debris, so you might want to get dressed for the all-white party later.
All right, one down. Let me fix these camera settings and we'll finish up the other one.
All right, second one should be a little easier now that you're a pro. All right, let's put those to the side, clean up a little bit, and move on to applying the new ones.
Ew, look at your headphones. Do you even have an excuse for what you did? This is awful.
Really, Sharice?
All right, again, make sure to remove any large pieces of adhesive by hand first.
If you have some awesome, I would use that instead of alcohol, but hey, we got moves to make.
Now make sure you clean off all the excess glue so that you have a nice foundation to apply the new ear cups.
Whew, all right, that's the hard part. Installing though, that's gonna be a breeze.
See, the seam is always going to be at the bottom, and you'll notice a little indent for the ear cup on the same side as the charge port.
Yep, and there's two little pegs that the ear cup sits in. A little tricky to find it if you're trying to install it through the eyes of a camera.
Once you get the ear cup in, press all the way down around the ear cup to start the adhesion process. And bam, one down, one to go.
All right, just a little rinse and repeat now. Line them up, ear cup seam still at the bottom. Find that sweet spot, let's go.
Ooh, they look brand new again and not, you know.
That's how you feel? One more step. Gotta get some books to apply some pressure around the headset for about 12 hours or so. Thanks, Boo, for letting me use your Game of Thrones books. So yeah, that was it. For about 11 bucks, you could make my not so pretty looking Beats Studio 2s look brand new. Of course, they have ear cups for the whole Beats lineup. Studios, Studio 2, Studio 3, Solo, Solo 2, Solo 3.
And there's even other companies that do this. We almost went with another one called Wicked Cushion that offers even cushier, thicker quality ear cups that give you enhanced bass and of course more comfort. Those are about $20 and
didn't have it in titanium or else I would have copped those. Yeah. But of course, again, thanks for watching. That girl.
I'm Sharice.
Oh, so pretty, she's Sharice. I'm Corey, together we make the tech couple, and we will catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah, bye.
Later.